Do you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your Infinix phone? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your fingerprint to unlock your Infinix phone. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you use your fingerprint to unlock your Infinix phone? First thing to do is to open up your phone and open up the settings. Then when you come to the settings guys, scroll up until you get to security. Click on that security guys. It now brings you to this page. Now when you get to this page guys, just scroll up under password and biometrics. You see screen lock, fingerprint. Just go ahead and click on that fingerprint. When you click on the fingerprint guys, your password will be requested. Then go ahead and put in your password. It now brings you to this page guys. If you want to add your fingerprint, just go ahead and click on add fingerprints. Now avoid oily, dirty or wet fingers. Keep fingerprint reader clean. Then please enroll a fingerprint. Go ahead and click on next. Now place your finger. Press the fingerprint sensor. This is the fingerprint sensor here. You can just go ahead and press it. Now scan area duplicate. Please lift. You have to lift your fingerprint and try again. Can you see the process? You keep on lifting it. You keep on lifting it. Can you see? Now scan the finger edge. Then move the finger edge to obtain more information. You can just go ahead and keep lifting your finger and press the sensor. Can you see? Fingerprint scan successfully. Now fingerprint information has been saved securely in the system. Go ahead and click on finish. Now your fingerprint has been enrolled. You can now use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Then if you want to add another fingerprint, you can go ahead and add another fingerprint. Then click on next again. Then if you want to use this fingerprint or any of your fingerprint, just go ahead and use it. You place it on the sensor like you did in the first time. Then do it. Make sure you do it. You move the finger edge to obtain information. So can you see it guys? So make sure you do it until the fingerprint scan successfully. You can see it has been saved securely in the system. Go ahead and click on finish. You can now see I have two fingerprints that will be able to open up my phone for me. If my phone is locked, I can securely use this fingerprint to open it up, or I use this one. Then go ahead and enter your password. So guys, that is how to use your fingerprint to unlock your Infinix. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.